Monday, everybody. Today is National, what did we say, Peach Pie Day. So I thought I would take a little spin and make it into a smoothie since they just finished lunch and they will probably be wanting their smoothies soon. So this would be a great opportunity to do our own little peach pie day on the cooking show. And then we are also going to be doing like a Greek oven baked chicken. Don't touch that.
It's right here.
Yes, it's right there. All right, what should we start with? Let's start with the chicken first, so then we can put that in the oven, and then we'll do the smoothie, okay? All right. So we got our bowl. This is not in my cookbook. We're kind of making this up as we go. So I've got, yep, go ahead. I've got 2 tablespoons of, you can use avocado oil, olive oil. I used avocado. And then I'm also going to put a tablespoon of mustard. It could be yellow. This one's Dijon. So it's the first time I'm making this too. So we'll see how this turns out. And then let's see. I think we'll do some garlic. How much garlic should we put? Probably a teaspoon, half a teaspoon. Teaspoon of garlic, ground garlic. Yep, you can do salt. And then a teaspoon of oregano as well.
So we put in salt.
Put in salt. Now we're going to put in some pepper.
Yeah, some pepper.
You can do about half a teaspoon of pepper. And then I am going to put in some, like half a teaspoon of steak sauce. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe it'll just give it another flavor. Hopefully a good flavor. Okay, now.
How can I do it?
Yep, let's stir it around. Got the oven preheating to 350, and I imagine it'll probably take, I don't know, anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes. And in an ideal world, we would let this marinate for at least 20 minutes. But where are you going? In a very ideal world, we'd let this marinate overnight. So we allow the flavors to really soak into the chicken. Where are you going? Are you going to help me make my smoothie?
No, I'm just going to flavor it into it.
Okay, it won't be very long. So I just cut my chicken into strips, put it in a glass dish, and I'll just pour this. And it's not like super, it's not super smooth of a marinade. So that's why it's better to let it marinate for a few minutes, or 20 minutes at least. I'm almost ready, Scar. So I'm just going to spread this around. I mean, you could always flip the pieces of chicken over too, just to get both sides. I'm just going to stir it so all the chicken is coated. And then, because I don't really want to wait 20 minutes to let it marinate, we are just going to throw it in the oven. This is our dinner for tonight. So whenever I was figuring out what I wanted to do for the cooking show, I hadn't prepped my dinner yet. I got the chicken out to thaw last night, and knowing I was going to make chicken today, I figured let's try a new recipe. So this is a new recipe. We'll see how it turns out, see if the girls like it. So I'll put this in, and I'll let you all know how the girls like it. So I'll probably serve that with salad. I might make up might steam some broccoli or some green beans. And my girls love salad, and lately they've been into salad, so we'll probably have that as their side. Okay, now we're ready for the peach pie smoothie. You ready, Scarlett?
Yeah.
Okay. Grab your stool.
I just was doing so.
Okay. They can't see you. Just scooch it. There. Okay, so you want to put the peaches in here? Yeah, this is another new recipe. So we've got, you can do frozen or fresh peaches. Really enough where we'll do like 1 peach. And I put half a banana in there. You can, just to give it a little bit sweeter taste. Okay. Stella's been using her magnetiles. Okay. Yeah, just, oh, you're gonna eat the frozen peach.
Is it cold?
I'm just going to go ahead and do this. All right. So we've got peaches. I've got half a banana on there. I'm going to put about half a cup of coconut cream. You can do half a cup of coconut water or coconut cream, coconut milk, almond milk, and then you could, if you want it to be a little bit thicker, you can put in some yogurt or, okay. We don't really have yogurt in our fridge, so I'm just using coconut cream, and then I'm just going to use water to dilute it and to help mix it a little bit more. Okay, now for the pie ingredients. So we're going to put some nutmeg in. That might have been too much. Just a dash of nutmeg. Actually, a dash of all these. Nutmeg, cinnamon, and ginger, ground ginger. Put in half a dash of ground ginger, and then some vanilla. If you want, you can always kind of mix it and then see what the taste is like if you want to add some honey or maple syrup.
Look like vanilla.
And
Why does it look like vanilla?
I think I'm going to put a little bit of the chocolate protein. Actually, let's wait. Let's try this first. All right, you guys want to get your smoothie cups out? Okay. All right, so we're going to blend this up, mix everything in. Okay. Yeah, let me. Yeah, why don't you get a. I think.
How does it taste?
Tastes pretty good. I might put a little bit too much nutmeg in there, but it tastes really good. I am going to add just a half a scoop of the chocolate protein though, and a little bit more water because it needs to be diluted. I would say if you're not used to the more natural sweeteners, if you're making changes with your sugar intake, you might want to add just a little bit, either a full banana or maybe just a little bit of raw honey. But I'd say a full banana would give it probably a sweeter taste. And you can also add in some avocado because avocado doesn't really have a big taste.
Stop pushing me off, Scarlett.
Okay. You ready?
Ready to taste it.
What do you think? Is it good?
Doesn't taste like a normal.
Doesn't taste like a normal smoothie. Well, no, because it's a peach pie smoothie. All right, so that is what we made today. So with the, I'll go through the ingredients again for the Greek chicken. I used 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, tablespoon of mustard, so Dijon or yellow mustard's fine, teaspoon of garlic and oregano, and then half a teaspoon of like that steak sauce and pepper and salt. And then you just bake that for 20-25 minutes or until chicken is done on 350. And then for the peach pie smoothie, we did probably 1.5 cups of frozen peaches, half a banana, and then I'd say half a teaspoon of vanilla, and then we did half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then 1/4 teaspoon of ginger and nutmeg. And then we used coconut cream and water to dilute that. I hope you guys enjoy, and thanks again for joining us on Monday, and we will see you guys next week.